Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best PC upgrade is probably one of the most rewarding yet daunting tasks any tech enthusiast can undertake, transforming an aging, sluggish machine into a powerful, responsive beast capable of handling the latest games, demanding software, and intensive multitasking without breaking a sweat, all while extending its lifespan and saving you money compared to buying an entirely new system. Number 5. STREBITO 142-piece precision screwdriver set. Introducing the ultimate solution for all your repair needs. This comprehensive set includes 120 precision bits and 22 practical accessories, ensuring you're ready for any project. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, it has everything required to fix cell phones, laptops, game consoles, and more. Experience maximum comfort and control with its humanized design. The screwdriver features a particle grip and an ergonomic handle, providing a smooth, comfortable experience. Its magnetic bit holder and flexible extension shaft make handling tiny screws and reaching tight spots effortless. Save time and energy with its intelligent magnetic features. A 5.7 by 3.3 magnetic project mat keeps all your tiny screws and parts perfectly organized, preventing loss. Plus, the included magnetizer-demagnetizer tool allows you to adjust tip magnetism as needed, protecting sensitive electronics. Keep everything in its place with superior organization. All bits are neatly stored in a rubber holder, clearly marked for quick identification. The entire kit comes in a durable, shockproof Oxford bag, making it easy to carry and store securely anywhere. Invest in quality that stands the test of time. Its precision bits are crafted from 60 HRC chromium vanadium steel, ensuring resistance to wear, oxidation, and corrosion. This robust toolkit is designed for long-term use and comes with a lifetime warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This comprehensive kit boasts an impressive array of 120 bits and 22 practical accessories, making it incredibly versatile for any repair. Its clever magnetic design keeps tiny screws secure, preventing loss and streamlining your work. If you're a professional or an enthusiastic amateur tackling diverse electronics, this organized and portable set is your ideal companion. What people say. Number 4. iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. Do you have a broken smartphone, computer, or gaming device? Now you can fix them yourself with confidence. This kit provides everything you need to get started. This is the ultimate toolkit for all your electronic repair needs. It's specifically designed for computers, smartphones, tablets, and gaming devices, and comes with access to thousands of free repair instructions. We've intentionally selected every tool you could possibly need. It includes a 64 precision bit driver set, tweezers, a flex extension, various opening tools, and an essential anti-static wristband. Its secure design features a magnetic case and foam insert, ensuring safe storage and transport. Plus, the lid conveniently doubles as a sorting and organization tray for your parts. We stand by the quality of this toolkit with a lifetime warranty. We'll replace anything that breaks, for as long as you own it. What we like. This is the original, trusted toolkit for electronics repair, thoughtfully curated with all essential tools. Its secure magnetic case keeps everything in place, and it comes with an unbeatable lifetime warranty. If you value a proven, reliable solution backed by extensive support and a guarantee, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The provided source JSON for product reviews was empty. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 3. SHOWPIN 122-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. Introducing the SHOWPIN 122-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Kit. This comprehensive set is your go-to solution for all electronic repairs, from computers to game consoles and smartphones. It handles a wide range of devices with ease. This kit boasts 101 precision bits and 21 auxiliary tools, including a flexible shaft and extension rod. It's designed to tackle everything from RAM upgrades to intricate PS4 and iPhone repairs. You'll find rare and specialty bits for even the most unique devices. Engineered for maximum efficiency, its ergonomic, non-slip handle fits comfortably in your hand. The durable alloy steel extension shaft and flexible shaft allow you to reach and turn tiny screws in tight spaces effortlessly. This ensures smooth and precise repairs every time. It features a dual magnet design for ultimate convenience. A magnetizer boosts bit magnetism to easily pick up screws, while the magnetic mat keeps every tiny component organized. This clever system prevents loss or mix-ups, making every project neat and orderly. The bits are forged from heat-treated CRV steel, ensuring exceptional hardness and strength for long-term use. Spare bits in common sizes are included, so a lost tip never hinders your work. This kit is designed for durability and extended service life. Every component is neatly labeled and organized within its compact case, perfect for home, office, or on-the-go repairs. This all-in-one kit saves you money on service appointments. It's an essential household item and an ideal gift for any DIY enthusiast. What we like. Engineered for maximum repair efficiency, this kit features an ergonomic handle and a flexible shaft to reach tricky spots. Its dual magnet design, including a mat and magnetizer, ensures no tiny parts go missing. If you prioritize efficient, organized repairs for a wide range of devices, this compact and comprehensive set will serve you well. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. The input source for reviews was empty, therefore no specific product details could be quoted. Number 2. UnaMela 80-in-1 Professional Computer Repair Toolkit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for electronic equipment repair. It makes tasks like computer assembly, motherboard repair, and memory upgrades easy and efficient. From gaming consoles like PS4 and Xbox to laptops and iPhones, this kit has the right bit for every device. It's designed to handle a vast range of electronics with precision. Crafted from CRV steel, its bits are incredibly strong, resisting wear and deformation. This ensures it can tackle any task, from tightening screws to disassembling cases, with ease. Its textured handle provides a secure grip, and the 360 degrees rotating top simplifies intricate tasks. Plus, the built-in magnetizer allows you to adjust magnetism as needed for precise work. Compact and versatile, it's an ideal present for electronics enthusiasts and gamers alike. Give them the power to repair and upgrade their gear with confidence. With this kit, you'll have the professional tools to confidently repair and maintain all your electronic devices. It's an essential addition to any tech lover's arsenal. What we like. This kit offers a professional configuration with specialized bits for various game consoles and electronics. Its humanized design, featuring a textured handle and rotating top, makes intricate tasks comfortable and easy. If you're a gamer or tech enthusiast needing specific tools for console and computer maintenance, this sturdy set is perfectly suited for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Number 1. Fanttik E1 Pro Mini Electric Screwdriver. Meet the ultimate tool for delicate repairs. It offers precise electric torque settings and a robust manual option, ensuring accuracy for even the most intricate jobs. This versatile device is perfect for all your small electronics. Whether you're working on a tablet, phone, watch, or camera, this tool handles it all. Its continuous operation for up to 2 hours ensures you have ample time to complete your electronic repair work with ease. Its innovative magnetic design keeps bits securely in place, preventing tiny screws from falling out. The entire body is magnetic, and a special zone at the bottom allows for quick bit magnetization in just 5 seconds. Crafted with S2 steel bits and housed in a sturdy aluminum case, it's built to last. Its lightweight, pen-shaped body is ergonomically designed, making it comfortable and easy to grasp for extended use. Equipped with a powerful 350 mAh battery, it can tighten up to 400 screws on a single charge. Recharging is simple and convenient with its modern USB-C port, so it's always ready when you are. This comprehensive package includes the mini electric screwdriver, a durable storage case, and 24 precision magnetic bits for various screw types. You also get a USB Type-C charging cable and a user manual to get started right away. What we like. This mini electric screwdriver offers precise electric torque settings and a strong magnetic design for secure bit and screw handling. Its long-lasting battery ensures you can tackle multiple projects without constant recharging. If you're looking for speed, precision, and convenience for delicate electronics, this portable electric option is a game-changer. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.